ganja. My light up, me chalice and my bun me ganja. My light up, me chalice and my bun me ganja. My light up, me chalice and my bun me ganja. Make a spiritual state in every rascal place. Legalize things, legalize ganja tree. A chronic meditation like a river downstream. The ganja man a do the wrong, no, 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 no. Yeah man, tell me man of me ganja. Light up me chalice and my bun me ganja. My light up me chalice and my bun me ganja. In a clean meditation I a praise Jaja. In a clean meditation I a praise Jaja. I say, leave us alone, police, leave us alone. The ganja man a don't do wrong, na na ooh cha. Na 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 na, yeah man. Rasta Lion big up selection, cha. One more verse for you man. Look for living Babylon, them to feel it vanity. Like a lion in a Zion, Jaja bring harmony. Yeah man, one more time I say, cha. Look for living Babylon, them just feel it vanity. Like a lion in a Zion, Jaja bring harmony. The ganja man I don't do wrong, no, no. The ganja man I don't do wrong, no, no. Look for we got them a sympathy, a good ganja man. Taking up a problem, Rasta man come along upon the ganja pie. I know when good things to come, people are put things to them, a conscious man let them go. I just go, yo, yo. 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 Yeah man, legalize ganja all over the world, from Italy to Israel. Ganja music I have promotion, Rasta Lion, big up Rasta Lion of the crew. Yeah man, peace out, yeah man, pull up the crew now.
Big up, Mystic Lion, big up yourself man, we love Italy, bellissimo, bellissimo. Janosta, this is a wicked combination. Oh, Lord of mercy, I what you say, hey, Dr.Reggae sound, I say, Rasta Lion sound. In this time, we have to play the version. In this time, we have to play the version. We got to legalize our way from back. We got to legalize the herb from back. In a Amsterdam, in a coffee shop, I would say. In a Amsterdam, in Bulldog, I would say. I'm going to the hills, I'm going to the valley. I smoke the herb every time I pour it in the chalice. As I would say, Dr.Reggae and BabaRoots, Jacob and the crew is it in the area. As I would say, a rubber dub style, a rubber dub style, a rubber dub, we roll rubber to the nation. In this time, it's the positive vibration. Jano Star. In this time, the version in the vibration of Israelites, Italians, Espanol, all of them. We got to unite in this time of Babylon. We got to unite in this time of Babylon. Unity is my reality, as I would say. Unity is my reality. I don't care about Babylon. I don't care about Babylon. Unity, reality, unity. Ah, mercy, as I would say. Basket coaching body left arm side. I said basket coaching body left arm side. You got the bun. Whoa, you got the bun. As I would say, from out and back. In England, in Spain, they pass it in the right, they pass it on the left, they pass it from the left to the right to the left. You pass the herb, you pass the weed, you pass the chalice. Mary Jane, marijuana as I would say. Mary Jane, marijuana as I would say. You got to legalize. It's from Solomon Great, from Solomon Great, from Solomon Great. He was the wisest man. He was the wisest man. As I would say, a wise man, a wise man, a wise man, a wise man. David, oh David, oh David, son of Solomon. Oh David, we are waiting for your return. Oh David, we are waiting for your return. It ain't Messiah this time, man. It ain't Messiah. We don't want no more Armageddon. Better go, man. He will come soon. He will come soon. Soon.